Welcome to the CoastalCraftFilAm channel. Today we are going to be trying out this COVID-19 antigen self-test. Previously I have made videos for the other type of test, which has a QR code where you can scan the QR code and it's going to walk you through the instruction. But this one, it just has a manual where you can follow along, which is really easy. So the name of the kit is called InBios. So first off, wash your hands. So the kit contains a test and pouch, a swab, and a single dropper bottle, and you would need a timer. We'll remove the swab from the packaging. Make sure you're not touching the tip, and then get your test out of the pouch. So slowly swab each nostrils with a medium pressure 4 times in each of the nostril, and that's about 15 seconds each. So we've already done that. So now to run the test, push the swab down in this testing hole. So just look at the instruction here. Just push it down and let the clamp hold the handle of the swab like so. So there's some pictures here of what not to do. It needs to be inserted all the way, and then you would need to use this single-use dropper. So the tip, just twist right off. Do not use your mouth or teeth to open the bottle. Hold the dropper bottle above the swab head. Slowly add all the liquid on top of the swab head. Add 1 drop at a time until dropper is empty. Do not add the liquid all at once. So that's what I'm doing. I'm squeezing every last drop in there. It's creating bubbles. I think I got everything out of there. So after this step, you would need to have a timer. So you will time the test completely for 20 minutes, or you could extend up to 25 minutes. So do not try to read the results before 20 minutes because you might get an inaccurate result. So I will be timing the test for 20 minutes, and I'll give you an update every 5 minutes or so. So here's the 20-minute timer, and I'll just speed up through this process. So here I'm going to show you the next step, which is checking the results. Although the results are not in yet, I'm going to show you how a positive result, a negative result, and an invalid result looks like. So let's zoom in with the positive results. So as you can see, if the T line is showing even vaguely a red line in it, it means you have COVID, it's positive. If it's negative, it's clear white, there's no line at all, that's a negative result. An invalid result would have the test line red, but the C is not showing, or both the C and C is not showing. So please notify your healthcare provider of positive or a negative result. So 17 minutes in, and this is how it looks like. 11 minutes in, and we're still not seeing any lines on the test line. So I'm gonna fast forward it to the final 10 seconds. So we're getting close to the 20 minutes, and the results are finally in. So as you can see, we got a negative result. There is no faint line on the test line. It's clean, it's white. There's no faint lines even, so which is good news. And I hope this video helps. This is the InBios kit that I got. It's actually free from USPS. You can request it online. I might link that in the description so you can order yourself the free kit. Thank you for watching this video. Give us a like if this video helps. See you in the next one. Bye.